Best crypto apps. This is crypto.com. Huge shout out to crypto.com. I am staking 10,000 Crow. I have been for almost 2 years. My daughter was 5 months old when I got into it, maybe just turning 5 months old. And right now, I've held and gotten staking rewards and free Netflix, free Spotify every month. I've kept up with it. I will not unlock that crow. I'm going to keep it. I was actually just thinking of when would I actually sell it. Would it be $4? Because then $4, that's actually $40,000. $15 would be $150,000. So if it reaches $1, that's 10,000. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna sell it right now. I'm getting 19 crow per week, and then I also get crow back when I make purchases with my Jade Metal card. I really like it. Staking Shiba Inu right now. Um, this way, I lock it away from myself. I have 8 million SHIB just locked away, and I can't unstake it or do anything with it. Same with Crow for a certain amount of time. It's like 80, I have like 88 days, 87 days left on SHIB because I just put it in for 90 days. But I did make quite a bit off of it. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're not doing so good. They're bouncing back and forth. Uh, really, it's altcoin time. So I wanted to show you what I'm doing with Bitrue. Bitrue. This is where it's at. I actually just bought and put a trade for USDT. I'm buying babydoge. I already have 7.5 billion. I was thinking about doubling that or getting another 7.5 billion. That would be 15 billion for those that you know how to do math. Uh, I wanted to show you guys Bitrue. It is the best altcoin app you can find. Um, I'm getting all kinds of tokens that are just coming onto the market. This is huge. For instance, Shih Tzu token. It is a dog. You can look at the info. Ticker symbol SHIH, and it's Shih Tzu. It's an actual breed of an animal. This right here is information about it. They don't give you much. I don't know how often they update it, but I really like Bitrue Exchange. And just yesterday, I bought this, and it's already a zero has disappeared. So we're talking about the $10, $20 I put in 10x, or not quite, but it was quite a pump. And these are pump and dump tokens. Check them out at your own risk. This is a lot of risk because you're putting actual money in here, Bitcoin and other cryptos, to buy things like SafeMoon, for instance. It's laughable because I actually just bought SafeMoon. It's down so much, and yeah, it could be a scam, everything else, but this token has something to it, and I don't think $20 or $30 is really that much to hold it for years and years and years and years and years and see whatever happens with it. If I lose $30, oh well. But otherwise, I have 10 million Safe Moon. That's something. Maybe it's something. And then Ass, that's pretty funny. I saw it. I'm thinking that's kind of funny. It's low. It was stable low for a minute. So I bought some. It's got a lot of zeros, and as soon as those zeros disappear, that's your 10x, 100x, 1000x, 10,000x later on in the future. And I'll actually show you what that. It's got a dog on it, and show you the token info. Australian Safe Shepherd. Okay, that's the token. I put in, I don't even know, $10, $20, and it's jumping around. It's doing all kinds of things. You don't even have to pay attention to it, because you're going to know when your wallet's all of a sudden an extra $1,000, because that's what we're talking about here. I actually had a couple of friends make a lot of money from Bitrue. They told me about it. So yeah, this is true. Put money in these small, low market cap coins, and $10, $20 turned into a couple of hundred, which in turn made even more. There's a lot of features to Bitrue that you're going to like. I just voted in order to bring tokens onto the exchange. You give up your native token BTR. It's the Bitrue's native token. And you can support coins like Himalayan Cat Coin. And I voted. Velis, I voted. And that means I staked my BTR with them in order to vote, and then get rewarded every day. I'm pretty sure it's daily for a week or however long it's in there. And you get tokens and then part of the total prize. And so I think that's kind of cool. I've done it a few times. I do have a voting record. And I didn't put much in. I just put something. These are about 30 cents a token for BTR. I would highly suggest throwing either some Tether or some Bitcoin or another USDC. Throw it into Bitrue and buy some altcoins. That's where it's at. I'll show you what I got. Shih Tzu, EarnX. Now the thing to look at is how many of the tokens I have. I'm going that route this time because I want the multiplier to go on that end from whatever price that it becomes. So you're looking at babydoge. If this goes through, if my trade goes through, then I'm going to have double the amount. And I'm going to see if my trade goes through by clicking home. No, trading. And there is my limit order. The price really hasn't moved much since I set that order. I'm going to cancel it. And I actually want the Doge. I want the baby Doge. Check this out. I have this bar represents how much of whatever you're selling or buying that coin with. I have USDT in there, so this is, I only have $20, $19 of it. And when you click under the limit order, right here in this bar, you can see last price. Click that button, that's the last price. Most likely you're going to get that amount. You click last price, and then you can move the bar and get your amount. Or you could also, what I just found out, is click these amounts that people are already doing, that red and green. There's already orders placed at different amounts. And if you try to backspace and add it yourself, there's not enough digits because you're getting a lot of zeros in between there. And let me show you. I'm going to just do the $20 at the price, at the last price. I had, it was 8 zeros and then 266 I was trying for a while, and the orders aren't going through, and I actually want the coin. And so this is limit buying and selling in pairs. Baby Doge / USDT is a pair, and you can, it's a really good exchange. You'll have to get into it. I'll leave the link in the description, but this is my go-to for altcoins. This and crypto.com that I showed you just in the beginning there. I want to get this GLQ. It was just at 6 cents. I thought it was gonna go up, and it did. And these are how you get those 1000x or 10,000x gains, is you hold on to these coins for a year or two. If they make it and they become something or stay on the market, a lot of times they pump. Especially when other exchanges open up to those those pairs. Thanks for watching. I really don't have anything else. Nexo is doing great. I just paid back my loan. I shouldn't be doing this long of a video, but I do want to show you what's going on with Nexo. I had a loan for the longest time, about $1,600, and I paid that back when Bitcoin was at about 68K. I just knew it was green for so long that it had to come back down. And I made a video, my last video was talking about how Bitcoin was going to come back to 55 and I was going to buy. I definitely did buy, and I staked it because I want to keep it. I'm not going to trade 1.5% of a Bitcoin. That's 0.015 of a Bitcoin. It's worth $8.47 now. I don't really care. For the next 30 days, I don't care what that price is because I can't trade that. And that means I actually have that token. It's like true holding. And I've done that with pretty much every coin, everything in Nexo. Okay, if you look, my babydoge limit order to buy was just completed. And I can click there and go right back to babydoge. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to finish showing you Nexo. I bought Avalanche at about $80. I bought 3.5 of them. Now they're worth about $130. That's quite a bit. Dot stayed about the same since I bought it, about $38, $39. Cardano, I am getting all of these tokens. I want to show you these tokens. This is my gains for the day. Dot, AVAX, Sol. I'm getting a half XLM. I'm getting 1/4 of an ADA. I'm getting about 1/4 of an XRP. It will be as soon as the staking breaks open and I restake everything with the earnings. That's compounding. So those numbers are going to go up, and I will be receiving those every single day. Nexo I staked for a year. But these are tokens that are, this is happening every day, interest only, just for holding and keeping these coins away from myself. I can't even withdraw these 30 days or 90 days at a time. And that keeps me accountable so that I don't trade these away. When you see the profit you make from each individual coin, when you see the gains, it's easy to lock it back up. Because you know in a month you could make X amount or even lose some. But that's a whole nother video. And I want to thank you for watching. I no longer have a loan. I will be getting a loan when Bitcoin dips to about 43,000, maybe come January or February. Something like that is definitely in the works. There will be a bear market after the blow off top, but we will see all-time highs for Bitcoin. This is Nexo, Crypto.com, and Bitrue, the best crypto apps. And I will leave those links in the description. Subscribe to my channel. Watch this content. Yeah, I'm telling you, it will help you in the future. I'm not a financial advisor, but thanks a lot. And, comment any questions you have. I'm going to go live pretty soon. I really want to go big, buy a microphone, buy a better computer, and really get to telling you guys what I know about the crypto space. I've been in it since 2016. Adam Campbell, and if you guys have any questions, please comment away. I always check them. I always answer. btcmentorship.com, that's my website, and like this video or don't, but do subscribe. Thanks.